Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be introducing you to top 5 selling portable air condition of. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Your opinions are highly valued. Unveiling the award-winning Whynter ARC14S portable air conditioner, boasting a powerful 14,000 BTU cooling capacity. This unit can effortlessly cool large spaces up to 500 square feet. Its dual hose operation and patented auto drain function ensure efficient and convenient cooling. With 3 modes, cool, dehumidify, fan, and full thermostatic control, you'll always experience the perfect level of comfort. Enjoy energy savings with the eco-friendly R32 refrigerant. Installation is a breeze with the included storage bag, window kit, and adjustable exhaust hose. Its sleek platinum black design complements any decor. Upgrade your home today with the Whynter ARC14S, where comfort and style effortlessly combine.
Introducing the Renogy 8000 BTU portable air conditioner. This 4-in-1 AC is a cooling powerhouse, perfect for hot summers and spaces with poor ventilation. With its Wi-Fi app control, you can adjust settings from anywhere, and intelligent timers let you automate operations. In cooling mode, it cools rooms up to 300 SQ. It also has sleep mode for quiet nights, fan mode for air circulation, and dehumidifier mode that removes up to 46 pints of humidity per day. It's easy to move and maintain, with 4 casters, 2 side handles, and a washable filter. Installation is a breeze with the included accessories, and its memory function stores your settings for convenience. Experience ultimate cooling comfort with Renogy portable air conditioners. Introducing the revolutionary GE5100 BTU portable air conditioner. With its impressive cooling capacity of up to 150 SQ. This 3-in-1 appliance offers an air conditioner, 2-speed fan, and dehumidifier, all in one. Its auto evaporation technology means no need for draining excess water. Featuring easy-to-use digital controls with a remote and convenient features like a washable filter, 24-hour timer, and auto restart. This air conditioner provides unparalleled comfort and convenience. With its easy window installation kit and effortless mobility thanks to its easy roll casters, this GE portable air conditioner is the perfect solution for small rooms, bedrooms, offices, and studio apartments. Experience ultimate home comfort with this exceptional appliance. Introducing the Frigidaire 5000 BTU window-mounted room air conditioner for ultimate comfort. Maintain your desired room temperature effortlessly with precise temperature control. Capture dust without hassle with the washable filter, ensuring optimal performance. Space-wise adjustable side panels provide a perfect fit in windows. Power cord length, extra long for convenience. Effortless restart. Resumes previous settings upon power restoration. Stay cool and relaxed with a Frigidaire window-mounted room air conditioner. Featuring controller type, button control, airflow efficiency, 136 CFM core material, aluminum alloy, plug type, LCDI 515 power refrigerant type, R32 note. Products with electrical plugs are designed for use in the US. International compatibility requires an adapter or converter. Presenting the award-winning Whynter ARC12230WN portable air conditioner. With an impressive 14,000 BTU cooling capacity, this powerful device quickly cools spaces up to 600 square feet. Its advanced inverter technology delivers 20% more cooling while saving 40% on energy consumption. Control your AC remotely through Wi-Fi using the Nethome Plus app, or voice assistants like Amazon Alexa and Google Home. Its innovative hose and hose setup ensures optimal cooling performance. Featuring a patented auto drain function and dehumidifying capacity of 87 pints per day, this unit keeps your space cool and dry. Its convenient dual exhaust design prevents heat leakage. Stay comfortable with its full thermostatic control, multiple modes, and whisper quiet operation. The easy-to-install window kit and portable design make it the perfect cooling solution for any room.